Well, now we're going to do exercises on powers with rational exponents, okay? And the question says, simplify the following without using a calculator. This type of question you should expect that more, especially in grade 11. Question A says 9 to the power of a half. So to simplify this, it's by writing 9 in terms of actually, we're going to write 9 in terms of its prime factor. And then 9 in terms of prime factor is 3 squared. And then this is, we can simplify then this 2 and this 2 there. And then the answer is just 3 to the power of 1, which is 3. Okay. And then B says 16 to the power of 3/4. So this 16 can be written as in terms of its prime factor. Okay, the prime factor of 16 in terms of its prime factor, it's going to be like 2 to the power of 4. It's like 4 over 1. Now we can simplify 4 and 4 there, and then the answer is just 2 to the power of 3. Okay, and then C. C is 81 to the power of a quarter. And then we're going to write 81 in terms of its prime factor. It is 3 to the power of 4. Okay. If you don't know how to get the prime factor, you use a 3 factor. Okay. Like let's do 81 here. I'll give an example of 81. 81 by 3 is 27. By 3 it's 9. By 3 it's 3. And by 3 it's 1. And now you see there are 4 3 there, so it's like 3 to the power of 4. Or you can use a calculator by writing like 81 and then press the equal button and then press shift button, and then you see somewhere there on top it's written fact. When you hit that button, it tells you what 81 is in terms of its prime factor. Now, there again, we can simplify the 4 and the 4 at the denominator there, and then the answer is just equal to 3. D, let's say 27, okay, to the 27 to the power of 2 over 3. We will write 27 in terms of its prime factor, and then this is equal to 3 squared, no, 3 cubed. And if we simplify there, we get 27 equal to, 27 to the power of 2 over 3 equal to 3. And then D says 32 to the power of 32 to the power of 3 over 5. And then 32 in terms of its prime factor is 2 to the power of 5. Again, you can simplify 5 and 5 there, and then the answer will be 2 to the power of 3, which is 8, right? 2 to the power of 3 is 8. And then E says 64 to the power of negative the power of negative a third. And now this is we're going to write negative a third. 64 is 2 to the power of 6. Now if we simplify 6 and 3 there, we're left with 2, and then that makes 2 to the negative 2, which is 1 over 2 squared, which is just a quarter. Okay, this is 8. And then F, we have no, that was so I wrote D twice. That was E, and that was F, and now we're going to do G. Let's move a little bit this way. Oh. G, which is 1 over 27 to the power of 2 over 3. Well, this is equal to, excuse me, I'll say 1 over 1 over 27 is, 1 over 27 is like 27, or let's say 1 over 27 is like 3 to the power of 3. Okay, to the power of 2 over 3 there. And then this will be like 1 to the power of 2 over 3. Okay, over 3 to the power of 3 times 2 over 3. Okay, because the law of exponent says the power here is for both the numerator and the denominator. It's for both 1 and the denominator. And then here, this can be simplified, and the answer would be, 1 raised to any power, just 1, all over 3 squared is 9. Okay, and then h was 8 to the over 125 to the power of negative 2 over 3. Excuse me. When we have a negative exponent, the law says a over b to the power of negative m is the same as to say b over a to the power of m, positive m. Okay, so over there, we can write 125 over 8 to the power of positive 2 over 3. Then 125 is 5 cubed. That 5 raised to the power of 3. And then 8 is also 2 to the power of 3. Okay. This means we can say 5 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 over 3, or 2 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. And then this is equal what? So we can simplify that and that, and then we have like 5 squared, which is 25, over 2 squared equal to 4. And then I, we have like 0,125 raised to the power 1 over 3, and then 0,125 can be written as, in the fraction form, is 1 over 8, or we can say 125 over 1000, but I prefer to write the simplest form, 1 over 8. That makes 1 over 8 to the power of 1 over 3, and then 1 over 8 is 1 over 8 is a cube of 2, so it's like 1 over 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1 over 3. Now this makes 1 to the power of 1 over 3 over 2 to the power of 3 to the power of 1 over 3. And then 1 will say 1 to raise to any power is 1. And then over here, we can simplify that, and it's just a half. Okay. And then J, we have like 2,25 to the power of negative a half. Okay, 2,25 can be written as 225 over 100. Okay, to the power of negative a half. Now, this can be written as 100 over 225 to the power of positive a half, following this formula. And then, excuse me, this will be like 100 is a square number, is a square of 10. 225 is also square of 15, all to the power of a half. And this will be 10 to the power of 2 times a half over 15 to the power of 2 times a half. And then we can simplify 2 and 2, and then 2 and 2 there. And then the answer is 10 over 15, which is 2 over 3. Okay, thank you.